Welcome to the final part of the video. This video is about chapters 7 and 8, the last part of the book. So in wealthy communities, kids often don't feel helpful because of their self-focus. A University of Michigan study of 14,000 college students showed that empathy has been declining over the past 30 years, and this has led some researchers to declare a narcissism epidemic. And according to a Stanford University professor, many teens are stressed and anxious because they don't see the point of their efforts. So this is one of the main root causes of where all this anxiety and stress comes from. One way to resolve this is that grown-ups must allow kids to take an interest outside the room and classroom. They must allow kids to be interested in things outside of themselves and their lives. Kids should think less about themselves, but not less of themselves. A mom in California said that everyone had actual jobs and responsibilities and chores when she was young, even in affluent communities. And no one had to nag a kid to go participate in a family activity or go help someone out because responsibilities weren't optional back then. The author's research actually showed that letting kids skip out on family events so they can study or practice sports actually makes them selfish. It makes sense to me why so many young people are self-involved, since they were raised to focus on themselves and their own improvement. People need to feel competent to feel like they actually matter. So competence is part of mattering. The world needs students to participate with their hearts and not just their brains. Mattering is the antidote to a scarcity mindset, and I think this was one of the main points of the book. When people feel full and fulfilled in life, they want to share that fullness. Unselfish joy is about celebrating the success and happiness of others, knowing that it doesn't take anything away from you. It is not a zero-sum game. People need to feel deeply and be truly valued. Think about what you can do today to make someone feel appreciated. When kids and parents are supported by a more extensive network, they feel like they matter. Happiness is a byproduct of a life where people add value and feel valued. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you plan to read the book Never Enough by Jennifer Wallace in the comment section below.